Embarkation, Mariner of the Seas. Took us a little while to get on here, but we're finally approved and getting on the boat.
Heading to Bermuda.
Heading to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama. So what's new here is in the federal buildings, you do not have to have a mask anymore.
No mask.
No masks. So after security, we went through wellness check, boarding passes, and now we get to board onto the boat. Here we are. Your key is on the top waiting for you.
And we are sanitized and ready. Ooh.
We have a balcony room this time again. And the couch, the bed. You got a little TV here.
Not a good view, but not yet. But it will be.
We're still in port. But we got a nice balcony this time. Hey guys, just checking in. Look at the closet. In case we needed our life vests. Hang a lot of stuff up. They give you a breakfast menu. You can put it out and get room service. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh, here we go. This is the teleporter shower. Woo! And there we are. So coming into the room, you have a dress to impress. You put all the stuff that you can fit in a bag, and for one price of $17.49, they iron it. Adventure has never been this rewarding. Discounts, soak up the savings, lose all your money in the casino, safe sailing, and pool towels. Take your pool towels on all excursions so you don't have to pay for them when you get off the boat. So we got an old-fashioned telephone port here in case anybody bought a dial-up. European chargers and two 120 volts. We're gonna put them to use. And every room comes with hand sanitizer and 2 masks. Safety at sea. So this balcony is a typical balcony. You get 2 chairs, 1 table. It's a full-length door, top to bottom, out to look at the sea, and then your view. Hopefully we leave soon. Have a safe and storage. Again, it's really weird that the TV is here and not here on the wall. We were just on the Apex a couple weeks ago, and the TVs were here, and they were nice and big, and you could see it in the whole room. Royal's got to catch up. So at the bottom of this, you have a mini refrigerator. It is not stocked. And then some drawers to keep your stuff. And don't forget the washy-washy.
Let's go.
There's the phone, a full bed, and we got to go find the mustard.
Mustard station, not mustard. Do not put a D. That will show that you don't cruise much.
Let's cross. Cha-cha real smooth. Let's go to work.